Ding dong.
Today, I will be presenting reasons why I would like to give my friends flowers. I just want to become their sugar mommy / sugar tita.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Hi everyone and mabuhay. Today we will be crocheting flowers to give to my friends. Yes, this was supposed to be for Valentine's Day, but obviously I did not finish them. But here we are anyway, and I decided to give it to them still. I sketched out 20 bouquets with 4 flowers each for my friends, except for a few ones which I only gave a sunflower to, and in total I made 80 plus flowers. I'm very grateful for all of them, and I only picked the best of the best yarn that I could find and use. So yeah, a lot of effort was placed into making this video. I even have a Pinterest board for it, and let's just say I enjoyed doing this, and I'm actually surprised that I didn't get tired of making so much flowers. Going back to my presentation, why exactly do I want to be a sugar mommy / sugar tita? I just want to spoil my friends and my family because I really do appreciate them and I love them a lot. Yeah, that's the reason why I just want to become a sugar mommy. I just want to spoil my friends and my family. I don't know about you, but there is something so amazing about giving your friends things, giving people things. I've always wanted to give my friends flowers just randomly, and if I have enough money to do that, I would. And just recently, I treated my family to dinner with the money that I work so hard for, and it just feels good to give back to the people who have supported you, loved you, and appreciated you. While doing these flowers, not only did I feel excited to give them to my friends, but I also felt like a little cottage core girl just picking flowers. But instead of picking them, I'm making them, and it's just amazing. that is it for today, and I'm sorry for the late upload, but yeah, it's here and I'm trying to be consistent. Anyway, I love you all, and don't forget to always create with a smile. Bye, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.